This is a little song about leadership. At this point, I'll take a dog. I'll take a dog and let him lead. We can vote alone, one nation underdog, and he'll be loyal as he can be. Yeah, golden retriever, ain't no great deceiver. Labradors don't lie. Trust a Siberian husky. All of our money, just a pug before put us in all his lies. Give a nation to a Dalmatian, give the ego to a beagle, no matter what breed. We'll take Rusty from his outhouse, put him in the White House. Let our golden this time I'll take a dog. Take a dog and let him lead. We can vote along, one nation underdog, and he'll be more than he can be. And cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent, Wolfman. Thank you, Jesse Wells. He's writing a lot of very timely and poignant songs.